Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar, Billie Eilish, the Diner, another cool here for Billie. So, a cool song, B minor, E minor, F sharp, that is what we're gonna learn with this two different ways of playing the string patterns there. Let's take a look at this one. No need for any capo, alright, so B minor starts like this on the second fret with your bar finger, index. You just play there the 5 strings from bottom up like this. You don't have to bar the last E string. And then you need to add 4th on D, 4th on G, and 3rd on B. Alright, so there you have the B minor. Next chord is E minor. Okay, so that is open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. And the final chord is the F sharp. Okay, so it looks pretty much like the B minor. You just move everything one string up to this position. So still a bar on the second fret, this time over all strings. And then you need to add 4th on A, 4th on D, and 3rd on G. Okay, so you have this way of playing very cool style, I believe. You have this first one, which I played in the intro of the tutorial. Goes like this. Okay, so it's basically 3 down strumming, all right? The first down is more on the first bass strings, so it depends on the chord you're playing. B minor, for instance, you start on A and go one short downstroke, okay? To play the A, D, perhaps the G. And the next 2 downs you play on the higher strings, okay? So that is one string around, so. Okay, you're gonna play B minor 8, E minor 4, and F sharp 4. That is what's going on in the song. So you can go either with that, E minor, F sharp, and then you start a new round. Or you can also switch it up with a more beat heavy type of strumming, and it goes like this. Okay, so this one goes down, up, clap, up. So down, up, clap, up. That second one. So you can go either way or switch it up. It's your playing. Billie Eilish, the Diner. Hope you enjoyed it, guys, and play tuned.